Hello, my name is Eric Adair. I'm the Senior Manager of Codes and Standards for the Hearth, Patio, and Barbecue Association. Today, I'm going to touch on codes and standards. What's the difference and how are they used in our industry? So what is a standard? A standard is a document that provides requirements, specifications, or guidelines for materials, products, and services to make sure they're fit for their purpose. Standards provide conformity and play a role in protecting our overall health and safety. In the U.S., the accrediting authority is ANSI, the American National Standards Institute, and in Canada, it's the Standards Council of Canada. They, in turn, accredit standards development organizations, SDOs, to write and publish standards. Standards that we see in our industry include ones from ASTM International, CSA Group, Underwriters Laboratories, National Fire Protection Association, and ASHRAE. A couple of examples of standards that we see are UL 127, factory-built fireplaces, and CSA P.4.1 testing method for measuring fireplace efficiency. So what's a code? A code or building codes are specifying minimum standards for the construction of buildings and the installation of equipment. Codes protect occupants from various hazards. They are adopted at the state, territorial, and municipal level, which make them become law of that region. Some codes we concern ourselves with include the suite of codes from the International Code Council, which in turn include the International Building Code, the International Residential Code, the International Mechanical Code, the International Energy Conservation Code, and the International Fuel Gas Code. The National Building Code of Canada, IAPMO, which includes the Uniform Plumbing Code and the Uniform Mechanical Code, and the National Fuel Gas Code. State and local communities can also adopt a stretch or reach codes, which are codes that go above and beyond the minimum requirement codes that they have for that area. So what's a listing? We hear about listings, has to be a listed product. What does that mean exactly? Well, a listing is a documentation of conformance by a certification organization or a listing agency. Some of the certification organizations in our industry include not only UL and CSA, which are both SDOs, but also Intertech, Omnitest Laboratories, and PFS Teco. Manufacturers bring their products, whether it's an appliance, a component, or accessory, to a certification organization to be tested for compliance to a standard. If the product conforms, it is then listed and can be installed per the code. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand a little bit more about codes and standards and how they affect our products in our industry. For a more inclusive discussion, please join me on the Firetime Network with Tim and Grant at www.firetimenetwork.com. Thank you very much.